In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks for personal. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple structure in QuickBooks Online that makes personal money management clearer and more organized using the chart of accounts and a dedicated equity account. Start by heading to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see your main dashboard. From here, go to the chart of accounts. This is the backbone of your financial setup. It's the list of buckets where every transaction will live. Even if you're using QuickBooks for personal tracking, keeping a clean, intentional chart of accounts will make reports accurate and your review time much faster. Inside the chart of accounts, look for the button to create a new account. Click New. This opens the form where you'll define exactly what this account is and how QuickBooks should treat it. Think of this as naming and categorizing a new folder for your money. In the name field, type a clear descriptive title. For personal use, something like personal equity, owner's contributions, or personal draws works well because it signals that this account tracks money you put into or take out of your household finances. You can also add a short description to remind yourself how you intend to use it, such as tracks transfers between personal cash and other accounts. Next, click the account type field to choose how QuickBooks classifies this account. Select owner's equity. Picking owner's equity is important because it keeps these movements separate from income and expenses. That way, when you move money between accounts, you're not accidentally inflating your spending or earnings. It also helps your balances and net worth reports make sense at a glance. If you see a detail type or similar field, align it with equity as well. The exact label may vary, but staying within equity keeps everything consistent. Before you save, double check the name and description so they're intuitive for you or anyone else who might review your books later. Now click Save. QuickBooks adds your new equity account to the chart of accounts immediately. From here, when you categorize personal transfers, like moving money into savings or covering expenses, you can post them against this equity account to keep your profit and loss clean and your personal cash flow transparent. That's it. You've created a simple, reliable foundation for using QuickBooks for personal finances. Keep your account names consistent, review them periodically, and you'll spend less time sorting transactions and more time understanding your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next